important category of testing, which is very important from a non-functional perspective, is security. Here today, in the earlier case, we were talking about, in the earlier days, we were talking about and generating manual patterns of malware and then feeding them to intrusion detection systems for detecting malware or preventive malware from intrusion, for preventing from intrusions, etc. But today, all of them have gone to AI/ML. What we do is, based on past data of malware that has been attacked, we generate patterns and extract models which are from machine learning and use them for actual analysis of the patterns to understand the intrusion patterns and detect them before they actually come and hit you on day zero. Similarly, we can talk about fuzz testing based on machine learning to find vulnerabilities in ML by ML-based generated variations, ML-based generated mutations. So this is a very interesting area where we try to find corner cases by ML-based mutations. Similarly, from a end-to-end diagnostics of security, if you have the knowledge which you've collected from your past of different faults, different attacks, you can create an end-to-end, ML-based knowledge system which can be guided as a chatbot for you, which can take answers from questions from you, diagnose, come back to you. So we can talk about an AI-based expert system or chatbot which can help you in understanding.